Hello guys, so on this video we'll be looking at how we can achieve formatted string, and we'll be comparing the normal string, which I called unformatted string, with formatted string. We get to see how easy it is to use formatted string. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it.
I'm going to declare two variables right now. So I'm going to have this first name is going to be my name and the last name. Okay, now I want to pick these two variables together. I want to pass them into another variable. So let's just say variables full name. So I'm going to have it this way: first name plus here I'm going to have a quote here. Here's my quotes. Okay, and a space plus last name. Okay, what I just did here is this: the first name, which is here, yeah, and this plus is the concatenation that we use to add, like not that kind of add like mathematics, like 4 plus 2, okay, like to attach another variable to the same variable on a straight line. You understand? You want to get them on a straight line, so we use this. Now this quote, notice that there is space in between it. It's going to be the space in between the first name and the last name. Then I add a plus to it again for the last name. So here now, let's print full name. So we have it. Emmanuel. Okay. Now imagine that you have a long stuff to display, like it's gonna get complicated whereby you get lost sometimes, like you get lost. If you understand, that's when formatted strings come to place, like to help us. Formatted string, you can use it like either you want to display string variables, string integers, any kind of values that you want to display. It's going to be so easy the moment you just mention the formatted string. Okay, so how do we do that? Here I'm going to rewrite this again. So now I have my double quote here. Okay, I'm going to declare this formatted string by this pixel F. Now this has turned to a pixel right now. So you can either use this small f or you can use capital F. Anyone that you use goes. Okay, so the moment you have this, bring in our curly braces. Okay, now inside this place I'm going to mention the last name. Okay, just another curly braces. Sorry, this should be the last name, right? And now you put it. So I'm going to make this one the first name. So Let's run it. Get the same thing. This time around now, there's no plus. Like the rest of the day, we're not creating any space. Just typing, like just like that. It's so easy. And here we can even check for another value and that function inside this, like it accepts it. For instance, now let's try and look for the length of my last name. We already know the function, so all we need to do right now is just say, okay, sorry, length of the function. Let's run it. It is 10. See, the same way you can still even add an index, a logic inside this formatted string. For let's say, for instance, let's have curly braces and let's do 4 plus 3. Let's change this one back to the way it is. Okay, you can see Emmanuel Okere 7. You already did the logic easily. So this is how to format your string. To me, this is more easier. Like, it's better than you just declaring like your keep on attaching plus just to have a space. You need to create another codes, blah 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 blah. If it's a simple string you're trying to declare or you're trying to display, it's fine. I use it. Like, it goes very straightforward. But the moment you're going to a broad display, like you're trying to pass in a lot of variables inside one variable to now to make it readable, you must start adding those double quotes, create space, the plus to link them together. Like, let's just do this simple and straightforward. Okay, so that's that about formatted string.